Dando continuidade à sessão do Tech Showcase, receberemos a Jéssica Mendoza Figueroa, Application Engineer na 3M, quem nos apresentará em inglês as soluções da 3M para desenho de data centers de alto rendimento. A apresentação contará com legendas para facilitar o entendimento. Thank you for being with us, Jessica. Please take it from here.
Thank you everyone for joining this session. My name is Jessica Mendoza. I am application engineer from 3M Electronic Material Solutions. The presentation for today, I will show you some of our products for data center in Latin America. First of all, I will want to talk about our technology trends. As we know, in the 20s, we had a trend from 3G cellular mobile connection, and as the years are passing, for today we are involving in different technologies as 5G, some streaming TV, online gaming, social media as TikTok and other platforms as YouTube or Facebook too. For the next year, we are expecting to have artificial intelligence increasing, also autonomous vehicles and factory automation. For these technology trends, we need to have some capabilities for data centers because all that information that we are seeing in these platforms are migrating to cloud data centers. So I would like to show you also some of important points of artificial intelligence and machine learning in these years. As we know, in our pandemic situation, all this digitalization was accelerated. So data centers have been increased in their importance. So as as we know, PCI Express is an important point for data centers. We have initial target applications. We have different applications, 4 or 5 PCIe. These applications are for servers, workstations, PC, tablets, also artificial intelligence, gaming, storage, visual computing, and networking. For PCIe 6.0, we have servers, i.e. ML, that's important in these years, automotive and military space applications also. And for PCIe 7.0, we have data-intensive application and markets. Also, we have applications for artificial intelligence and quantum computing, hyperscale data centers, and clouding, as we have talked about. For these applications, at what is the product that 3M is offering for you, we have twin axial cable solutions that we have two different applications for these different cables. We have internal solutions and external solutions. I would like to introduce, first of all, for the internal cable solutions. In general, cables are replacing PCB traces. This is for reducing loss and cost during the connections in data centers. 3M twin axial cables are particular offering different performances like high cable foldability. That means that you can have different traces in your cables, and the signal that is passing through the cable will not lose any signal. Also, routability enabled by this cable foldability. It is a good performance for our twin axial cable. Our cables maintain signal integrity performance when they are folded. Also improve cable management, improve thermal management also, because these cables are very thin. The airflow in the system, it can be better. inside the data center. If we have a cable overview of twin axial solutions from 3M, we can say that our cables are or have a very good precision and control, the flexibility and tight folding without loss performance. And the difference of our 3M cables than the competition uses is the first or more important point to say about the difference between competition and 3M is that the competition are thicker and less flexible. So if you are looking for a solution that can be folded several times without losing information, I think that 3M is gonna be a very good option for you. I'm gonna share a small video for you. This video can show you a small overview of our twin axial cables. Let's see the video.
With the development of cloud computing, AI, HPC, and 5G, it's more important than ever for data centers to get up and running quickly and stay up with less risk of downtime over the long run. 3M twin axial cable assemblies provide technology and performance for next-generation server architectures. Ultra-thin and foldable, they give you freedom of design with high-quality, reliable cabling that delivers faster data, shorter deployment times, and fewer service disruptions. With their unique routable design, designers can improve airflow and help optimize heat dissipation without compromising electrical performance. 3M twin-ax cable assemblies are resonance-free high-bandwidth I/O cable assemblies. They can be sharply folded with negligible impact to SI performance. 3M twin-ax cable assemblies can be bundled into compact, highly organized harnesses. Sharp engineered folds may minimize airflow obstruction and facilitate assembly routing through narrow server spaces. "3M provided assemblies help improve productivity and optimize server assembly." Compared with discrete cable, 3M's proprietary twin-axial cable construction minimizes termination variability for more reliable and repeatable SI performance. 3M Direct Attach Copper Cable Assembly portfolio offering supports various IEEE standards for Ethernet. 3M Internal Twin Axial Cable Assembly portfolio offering supports PCIe Gen 4 and 5 applications. With their outstanding versatility and reliability, 3M twin axial cable assemblies are the ideal cabling solution for your next-generation data center architectures.
So as you can see, our solutions are are in a big wide portfolio. This is an example of the products that we can offer to you, but that's not the only product that we have. We have a lot of products. This is one of a small chart to give you an idea of what we have in our portfolio. If you have any doubts of we have any specific product for you, we can talk later, or if you have any issue with your connections, we can also offer different solutions for you. As I told you previously, we also have external cable assemblies. Now we are going to show you what products we can offer for these applications. Tight bands are at the connector, allowing for efficient routing in space-constrained applications. We have 3M twin axial external cables that we offer efficient routing of cables, virtually no main bands radius, maintain signal integrity performance when folded. As the internal cables assemblies, we also have products that can be folded externally. This because improve also the thermal management. We know that the thermal management in data centers is a very important point to control. Also, this point can allow that the airflow in the system can run better if we have better space in our cable assemblies. Our cables requires less space in front of port, improve serviceability and space saving, as we said. We also have a portfolio for these assemblies, but as also I can tell you, this is not all the solutions. We have different solutions, but I am showing the ones that we think that are more important according to the market trends. We are going to see different applications or examples of these trends. One of the biggest trends in the market is PC gaming. Why this is an important application? Because PC gaming needs very fast work in their computers. So twin axial cables can be very good assemblies because they also can be folded and they have a very high speed. We know that PC gaming also need high speed during they are using the PC. For performance, we have applications for test equipment. They can be industrial equipment, medical equipment, or different equipment for tests. Why these cables can be a very good option for you? Because also the high speed and cable foldability can be a good option, reducing space. If we look about data center application, again, high cable routability is a very good option. The twin axial external direct attached copper cable assemblies can help our customers to maintain signal integrity, and we can offer reducing space also. For high performance computing, we can say that the foldability can be a very good or an important point to be aware of. And we have also connections for low profile I/O twin axial cable assemblies because thin and foldable cables are increasing their applications because they require to connect your backplane, and these configurations with factories or different configurations that in that market trends are required also. But I will also would like to show you that in the electronics 3M division, we also have different products that can be interesting for you, like thermal conductive and heat dissipation products or tapes. We have tapes and adhesives. Also, we have electrically conductive tapes, and these tapes are for electrostatic shielding and grounding, also to avoid EMI or EMI, that it is electromagnetic interference. We also have bumpons for PCB spacers or reducing vibrations. Also, we have high temperature tapes for masking and soldering. Also, we have anisotropic conductive films if these are needed. And also, there are water contact indicator tapes for warranty and label. These tapes are specifically for warranties because this tape changes in their color from white to red when contact with water, and this color can be is permanent. So if you have any application for that you want to be secure that your data center or any PCB is in contact with water, this tape can be an excellent option. And that's all the information that I have for you. If you have any doubt about our portfolio, please contact me, or any person of 3M can guide you from your doubts. Thank you.
Thank you, Jessica, for sharing information about 3M's interconnection solutions for data centers. It was a pleasure hearing from you. See you soon. E obrigada a todos que nos acompanharam nesta ascensão. Um bom dia.